Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. In today's video, we will be checking out how to trade spikes in boom and crash using a free trading indicator. Okay, how we can trade spikes in boom and crash using a free trading indicator. Okay, and I'm going to be brief with you guys so that you will understand how to go about it. I'll make sure I am as detailed as possible so that you will know what steps to the right step to take in order for you to make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay guys, so quickly before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out how to trade spikes in boom and crash using the free indicator that I will be sharing with you in this video. So many people have been asking me questions about this, and of course I will be sharing this strategy with you, and of course you will be able to practice it on your own. Okay, but before we go fully into it, okay, before we move on to the chart, let me quickly say a few things right here. So like I've always been telling you, okay, your trend is always important. Once you know the right trend to trade an asset, then you will be able to milk the market successfully, because you will know when to go into the market and when to go into the market. For instance, if we are trading spikes in boom, okay, that means the market must be on uptrend. Okay, and if we are trading spikes in crash, that means the market must be on downtrend. That is the only time we can maximize our profit from that particular session. Okay, and of course your support and resistance zone is also very important to help you to know your entry point and your exit point. For instance, if we are trading spikes in boom, despite the fact that the market must be on uptrend, then it is better for it to come from the support region. Okay, when you are around the support region, it gives you more advantage than when you are around the resistance region and you want to trade spikes in boom. Okay, so this is very important, and the same thing is applicable to our crash. If you are trading spikes in crash, then it must be from the resistance region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, then your lot size is also very important. Remember, in most cases, whenever you are trading spikes, it won't go into profit immediately, so your lot size is very important. Okay, so now let's go straight to the chart right away. A few days ago I gave out an information about this indicator, and I actually gave it out to those of you that that did the task which I asked you to do on it on that particular day. Some of you did it and some didn't do it, but those that did it were able to have access to it, and they were able to download this indicator for free. Okay, so ever since I've been on that day I actually explained to you how you can make use of the indicator to your own advantage, in order for you to make profit while you are trading. And today we will be looking at it on how we can use it to trade spikes successfully. Okay, so this is boom 1000, and I'm still on 1 minute time frame. Like I said earlier on, okay, or in my last video, when it is red like this, it is when you have this dotted line, red line, it means that the market is on downtrend at that particular point. But when we have the dotted green line, it means that the market is on uptrend at that point. And remember, from what I explained to you at the beginning of this video, it is always important you trade the spikes in boom when the market is on uptrend, and you sell in crash. Okay, you trade the spikes in crash when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so that is very, very important, and it must be from the support zone. You can see this is coming from the support zone. You can see it right here is the support zone. Check it out. It gave us a buy signal right here. The green diamond right here is the buy signal, while the purple one is the is the sell signal. Okay, but because the market is on uptrend and it's coming from the support zone, you only you only obey the buy trend. Okay, so the buy signal, so you just pick your buy signal right from here. Even if you missed out on the first spike, then you can still come in and place your order because the market is already around the support zone. Okay, so you can see it pulled back a bit but got to this region and started spiking. You can see it kept on spiking and spiking and spiking till it got to this region. You can imagine you being in the market right from here, guys, right from here to this very moment. That's amazing, guys. That is about 131 candles. That is about 131 minutes. Okay, 131 minutes. This will have given you over $50 while trading this particular asset. You can imagine the same thing is applicable to when you are trading spikes on crash. Okay, you just need to target the resistance zone. You make sure you're coming from the resistance zone. You make sure it is going on downtrend, and you go into the market right from there after seeing your sell signal, and of course you start selling the crash right from there. But remember, your lot size is always very, very important. Your lot size is always very, very important because it won't go into profits immediately, because this is spikes trading, and of course once it starts spiking, you will be in profit for a very long time. You can imagine you placing your order around here and it comes down below your order, and of course now spike and kept on spiking till it got to this region. That's amazing, guys. You can imagine you coming in right from here and of course closing your trade around here. That's a lot of profit for you guys. That's a lot of profit, and that's not the only time you have the opportunity. Check out these two. Okay, we had our buy signal around there. If you had coming around there, you would have closed your market somewhere here, and of course thereafter we still had another buy signal around here, which is around the support zone. If you had coming around there, you would have closed your market around here. Okay, so that gave us more opportunity to trade. Here is another one from here to here, or probably from here to this particular region. Okay, let's see more, guys. Let's see more. Okay, check out this right from here, then you can close your trade somewhere here. Okay, now let's see more, guys. Okay, guys, that is how it works. You can take advantage of the market using this indicator. Okay, guys, you guys might be thinking, how do you have access to this indicator? Okay, I actually give it out for free, and of course those that are having it will be able to practice with this particular indicator again and see how they can milk the market with it. Don't worry, in my next video I will be explaining more on this particular indicator to see how they can make use of it to milk the market successfully. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.